Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Warhammer 40K Space Marine 2 Error Code 2. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to connect to the servers but are unable to establish a connection. According to our research, the error may happen due to network issues, crossplay conflicts, or temporary problems with the game servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the network. Once both are restarted, check if there is a new update available for the game. If there is, install the update and then check for the error. If the error still comes, then try switching your internet connection. In our research, some users were able to connect by using their mobile hotspot or changing to a different ISP. So we suggest you also try this and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then try turning off crossplay. Simply go to the game settings and find the crossplay option and disable it. Once done, restart the game and check if this helps with the error. At last, if the error still persists, then it is possible that the game servers are having some issues. In that case, we suggest you wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.